Are your kids interested to learn to code? BM Coding for Kids is a great way for kids to learn coding for free. So what will kids learn in these tutorials? We will start with the foundations of Python, such as how to do math, inputting data, and more. You will learn how to create graphic designs. You'll learn how to create app windows, such as a world clock based on user selection. You'll learn how to create a website contact form that will send you real emails. You'll create a number of different games, such as basic video games and tic-tac-toe. You'll learn how to pull real data to create charts and graphs, and much, much more. If you're interested to learn more, please click on the link in this ad to check out our videos. You can also subscribe to stay updated with new videos coming soon.